I realize I'm alienating a potentially lucrative channel sponsor here, but I just keep seeing my fellow content creators on YouTube advertising for Flying Eyes, which seems like a great product, but they're $230. And I don't want to spend $230 on a pair of sunglasses that I know I'm just going to set on my tank bag and ride away and leave in the woods for thousands of years for some future archaeologist to dig up. I've been riding with Shady Rays, which is a different sunglass company, for years now, and I think that what they do is pretty cool. I want to tell you about it. For the record, I am not sponsored by Shady Rays. I do not have an affiliate link for Shady Rays. In fact, a couple years ago, I emailed to ask if they would send me a few pairs to share with you on the channel, and they said no. So there is a link in the description because they have a referral program, but all that does is get me credit for more sunglasses than anyone can sign up. So they haven't sent me anything. Everything you see here I paid for with my own money. Anyway, I like Shady Rays because they have a lost and broken replacement program. And while you do have to pay a little bit to get a new pair of sunglasses, this is a pair, actually, that I lost and replaced. It seems like a better investment to me considering the types of abuse that my sunglasses at least have suffered over the years. I have so many pairs of just like random gas station sunglasses because I'm super good at either losing them or just getting out on the road and being like, didn't bring my sunglasses, gotta buy another pair. You know, you end up paying $17 or $20 for a pair of crappy sunglasses that are just like a dark piece of plastic. It's not even like a good lens. And I just think the Shady Rays are a better option. Let's do just like a little comparison based on some information I pulled from their website. And full disclosure, I've never used or seen a pair of Flying Eyes in person. So the Flying Eyes shades are supposedly specially designed to fit under helmets. They're kind of indestructible based on what I've seen. Seems like a great product. Not knocking it, but it is $230 for a pair. They have a limited lifetime warranty against defects. Shady Rays also does. And for the first 90 days you own a pair of Flying Eyes, they'll replace them if you break them. For an additional $35, you can add 2 years of replacement if you lose them as well. So it ends up being $265 for a pair of sunglasses that you can lose and get replaced twice. Shady Rays, which is what I'm wearing here, cost around $50 to $75. They have a ton of styles. So I've got these, kind of the Ray-Ban style. I like the wraparounds for riding because it gives you more coverage and keeps more dust out of my eyes. So I've got a few pairs of these. In that $50 to $75 range, you get 2 replacements over 2 years. That is lost or broken. Either way, they also have a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects. So if you leave them on a picnic table somewhere, you can get a new pair. There's a caveat there in that there is a fee to get them replaced. It's like a processing fee. It is $17 in the United States of America, $37 Canadian, 19 pounds in the UK, $37 in Australia, and $31 USD anywhere else. But if you do the math, a pair of sunglasses at $55 and 2 replacements at $17 is still less than $100, still less than half the cost of a pair of Flying Eyes. These are good glasses too. I mean, they're not like the most heavy-duty, sturdy glasses on earth, but they're also not this. They're not a dark piece of plastic. These are decent lenses that make the world outside look brighter. They don't just darken everything, so I think they're super comfortable, they're super useful, and I don't care if I just throw them in my tank bag and they get scratched up or whatever. I'm not butt puckery about losing or breaking them the way that I would be with a pair of $230 sunglasses. I'm also just like out in the dust all the time. Like I ride with just sunglasses and my visor up, crap's flying at my face. I just like the idea of a cheaper pair of sunglasses that I can get replaced. And I thought you guys might too. So like I said, I've been wearing Shady Rays for a long time now. In fact, this is a pair that I got replaced after I lost or broke. I think I lost them. I lost a pair of these, so my original pair. Now the deal has gotten a little worse over the years. It used to be that the sunglasses were about $35 and the replacements were like $8 processing fee. It's gone up, everything has since then, but it's still a decent deal in my opinion for a decent pair of sunglasses that you don't have to worry about as much. So there's promo codes all over the internet, and they also you can add a mystery pair for $18 to your order. This is the pair that I got last time. Are these my style? Is this what the kids would call a drippy fit? No, it's hit or miss. I'm not actually gonna wear these, but my kid wants them, so I'll give them to her. I was kind of hoping for a pair of aviators or something. So I'd encourage you to check out Shady Rays, check out their different styles of shades, and see if there's something that works for you. These work fine under a helmet, let me show you. This is my new Turatech Aventuro Carbon. This is a tight helmet too because I haven't broken it in. And ta-da, yeah. The Flying Eyes are specially formulated to work under a helmet, but these do just fine, in my experience. Anyway, no hate to Flying Eyes. I'm sure they make a great product. They have good taste in YouTubers because a lot of the people that I watch support them. And you know, if you want to spend that money for a better quality, indestructible pair of sunglasses, that makes sense to me. If you want to save 20 bucks on your first purchase of a pair of Shady Rays, there's a link in the description. Like I said, not an affiliate link, just I get credit to buy more sunglasses, which whatever. You can also just Google, I found a 20% off code pretty easily on the internet, or you sign up for their newsletter, I think, and you can save 10%. So don't pay full price, you don't need to, but pop over to their website, check it out. I think these are a really good choice for motorcyclists, particularly people who spend a lot of time off-road in the woods doing dirtier things that may cause you to fall off your bike more often. Anyway, happy summer riding. I hope you find a way to protect your eyes that makes sense for you. And if you like saving money on sunglasses, maybe hit the like button on this video if you found that useful. And also, please consider subscribing to the channel because I'm the dork in the road and I want to be your internet riding buddy. And I'm better than your regular riding buddies because I come with a mute button. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. A thank you.
Excellent!